welcome to Fabu Sundays. I'm happy to see you all. Today we're going to learn how to make a beautiful and awesome mouse trail in Scratch. But before we get scratching, I hope everyone can like and subscribe to Fabu Sundays. So let's get started. First, you may see a cat sprite once you create a Scratch project. Please delete it and choose another sprite. You can also upload it. And I choose a star which is at the center. So, name it Mouse Trail. Let's go to Events and drag out a When Flag Clicked Cat's block. Next, we can go to Motion. Drag out a Go to X0 and Y0. That should help. So now the star is in the center of the canvas. Next, what should we do? Oh, we can go to Control and drag out a forever loop. If you want to make it more cooler, you can go to Motion and drag out a Go to mouse pointer and not random potion. And we can also drag out a turn degrees below it, so it will be more cool. So it will be like this. It's kind of cool. So next, we can go to Looks and drag out a Change Color Effect by 25. It should help. And at last, we can go to Control and drag out a Create Clone of myself. Let's see what happens. And it will turn like that. So, let's drag out a When I Start as a Clone. What should we put inside? We can go to Motion and drag out a point in direction. Not 90, but we can use a tool. It's really useful. It is in the operators. This green block, pick random. So we can get it pick random 1 to 360. That should work. What else can we add? We can also put a repeat block. It's inside the controls. So, repeat 10 times, move 10 steps. And after moving 10 steps, we can go to Looks and drag out a Change Size. Change size by -8 will make a gooder effect. We can also drag out a Change Ghost effect by 10. That should work. But even though it looks like it really disappeared, it's not. So we should go to Control and drag out a Delete this clone. Put it right below and not inside the repeat loop. Let's see what happens. Yes! So, do you got amazed? Or are you happy that you learned a Scratch project? I hope everyone enjoys. And please like and subscribe. So, bye! See you next time!